What's up, everybody? It's Shane with Moretti Outdoors, and we got a great gear review coming up right now.
Alright guys, thanks for coming back. So I have a short little review on three budget friendly items that I got my hands on. This one I got for my birthday. This one I got donated to Moretti Outdoors and from Batteries Plus, which is awesome. And then this one I picked up at Walmart. I know a lot of people are going after the Gerber multi-tool for like 30 some bucks. I mean, this thing was very budget friendly for $8. You can't go wrong. So let's get right into it. Well, I'm sure most of you probably already seen the tack light. I mean, this is something that, you know, is rechargeable, so you can take it out on your trips. You know, if you don't want to use your fire steel or it's raining, this thing's waterproof and everything else. But I really like it a lot. It's got a really cool, and you know what? I don't even think the camera's gonna pick it up. There we go. Pick it up. Here, we'll turn off the lights. There. It's got a really nice arc, and that thing's pushing some major volts. So it'll light a fire, it'll light your cigarettes, it'll light whatever you want it to light. I mean, this thing's super hot. Like I said, it's rechargeable, charges fairly fast. It's got a protective case. You know, nice little budget-friendly item. I paid, you know, I didn't pay anything for it. I got it for my birthday, but I mean, they cost 20 bucks at Walmart, you know, but the tack light is actually really cool, well worth the money. The donated item I got is the Nebo Armor 3, and this thing is really sweet, man. I'm gonna zoom out here. This thing is super sweet. Comes with a magnet. Of course, when you're out in the woods, that ain't gonna matter, but you know, it doubles as a stand. You know, it'll stand up for you. It's got a flashlight in the front, flashlight on the side. It's got a nice clip. It's virtually indestructible, waterproof, and it floats in the water too. So it's a good flashlight for kayaking and boating and stuff. But this thing is just super duper bright. I mean, it's 350 lumens on the front. Or on the front light, and then the side light is actually like 500 lumens. It's like blinding bright. I mean, you can't really even look at it. And then it's got this mode too. See here we go. Red light, which is really cool. And then it's got a trouble light on it too. So if you're in trouble, you can use the trouble light. And like I said, it doubles as a stand if you want to read in your tent. You know, when you're out on a trip, it's really super light. Get the lights back on. Super light, super compact. Weighs, you know, just a few small ounces. Takes 3 AAA batteries to run, which isn't bad because, I mean, it'll stay lit for a long time. I like this clip on the back. You can clip it to the front of your backpack, you know, and use that front light for walking the trails at night or whatever you want to do. A clip to your belt. Like I said, it's nice for around the house too. If you want to clip it on, you know, inside your car hood or whatever, and you want to work on something, you know, it'll clip right on, and boom, you got your light. Nice little toy. I like the Nebo. The Nebo brand flashlights are awesome. Like I said, I got this donated to me from Batteries Plus. Very awesome. So that takes care of those 2 items. And the last item, like I said, I barely paid anything for. Very budget friendly. Mossy oak multi-tool. Comes with a nice case. It's got a nice handle. Real nice handle. It's got a nice pair of pliers on it. got a nice belt clip. You know, if you want to just not use the case and clip it on your belt. Another thing I like about this tool is all the tools are on the outside and they all lock. So it's got a wood saw. Flathead screwdriver. Another flathead screwdriver, can opener and bottle opener. And then it's got a serrated blade, which is fairly decent too. Light's not very good in here. On the other side, it's got a file, good for sharpening knives. Of course, not good for sharpening the knife on this tool, but if you want to sharpen another knife or file something down, you got that available. Screwdriver with bottle opener on it. And then it's got a nice sharp blade, and that thing is super sharp. Got the blood groove. It's kind of nice. So not a bad little tool for $8 at Walmart, man. I mean, budget friendly all the way. You know, like I said, it comes with this nice little case. I'll leave links in the description below for all these items if anyone's interested. I mean, really cool items, budget friendly with you guys, and I appreciate everybody sticking around and checking out these 3 cool items that I got my hands on. And as always, go wild and God bless everybody. Be safe out there. Bye.